Namaste everyone. Welcome to fifth lecture of Introduction to Trigonometry. This is Rajesh. In this lecture we are going to see trigonometric ratios of complementary angles and solve exercise 8.3. Now here you can see triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. Sum of three angles of triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, angle A plus angle B plus angle C gives me 180 degree. As angle B is 90 degree, I get angle A plus angle C is equals to 90 degree. Now if I consider angle C as theta, then angle A will become 90 minus theta. So I will indicate this angle C with theta and angle A with 90 minus theta. Now in triangle ABC, if I find sin theta, I will get AB upon AC. Cos theta will be BC upon AC. I will consider this as equation 1. If I find sine of 90 minus theta, I will get BC upon AC, and cos 90 minus theta will give me AB upon AC. Now if I compare this equation 1 and equation 2, I will get sin theta as cos 90 minus theta. You can see sin theta is AB upon AC, cos 90 minus theta is also AB upon AC. And in the same way, we have cos theta is equals to sin 90 minus theta. So sin theta is cos 90 minus theta and cos theta is sin 90 minus theta. This is trigonometric ratios of complementary angle. Theta and 90 minus theta, they are complementary angle. And here we are getting one relation, that is sin of theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta. And in the same way, cos theta is sin 90 minus theta. In the same way, we can also show that tan theta is cot 90 minus theta, cot theta is tan 90 minus theta, sec theta is cosec 90 minus theta, and cosec theta is sec 90 minus theta. So these six relations, that is sin theta is cos 90 minus theta, cos theta is sin 90 minus theta, tan theta is cot 90 minus theta, cot theta is tan 90 minus theta, sec theta is cosec 90 minus theta, and cosec theta is sec 90 minus theta. These six relations we should learn. Right? Now, we already know that sin 0 is 0, sin 30 is 1 upon 2, sin 45 is 1 upon root 2, sin 60 is root 3 upon 2, sin 90 is 1. So, for these standard angles, that is 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, we know the values. So we can write their values directly. But if the angles are other than these angles, then in that case you will find that these relations are more useful, more helpful to solving the problems. Now let us see how they are helpful. Here we have first question, sin 18 degree divided by cos 72 degree. Now here we don't know the value of sin 18 degree, we don't know the value of cos 72 degree. So what we do here, we either convert sine in cos or cos in sine. Now we have already seen how we can convert. So cos 90 minus 18 gives me cos 72 divided by, we have cos 72. So cos 72 upon cos 72, they cancel each other and I will get answer as 1. Now here you see, when sine and cos are given, you just try to add these angles, that is 18 and 72. If you are getting 90 degree, then these formulas are helpful. Okay. So sine is related with cos, tan is related with cot, and sec is related with cosec with these complementary angles. Second question. Now this question you can try yourself, right? Tan 26 degree upon cot 64 degree. So again you can see that 6 plus 4 10 and this 6 plus 2 and 1 carry, so it is 90 degree. So addition of 26 and 64 90. So it is better that I will convert this tan in cot and they will cancel each other and I will get answer as 1. Now here cos 48 degree minus sin 42 degree. Again I can convert sin in cos or cos in sin and they are equal, so I will get answer as 0. Cosec and sec, here you can convert this sec 59 degree and cosec. So you will get cosec 31 degree minus cosec 31 degree. Final answer is 0. Now here we have to show that That is, we have to prove that tan 48 degree into tan 23 degree into tan 42 degree into tan 67 degree is equals to 1. So here for this 48 degree, the complementary angle is this 42 degree, right? And for 23 degree, complementary angle is 67 degree. So let us use that complementary relations. So tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree, I will write them as it is, and this tan 42 degree I will convert in cot, and this tan 67 also I will convert in cot. So what I will get? I will get tan 48 into tan 23 into cot 48 into cot 23. Now tan 48 and cot 48 I will write together, and tan 23 and cot 23 I will write together. Tan theta into cot theta gives me answer as 1 because they are reciprocal of each other. Tan theta is 1 upon cot theta. So tan theta into cot theta gives me answer as 1. So tan 48 degree into cot 48 degree, this is 1, and tan 23 degree into cot 23 degree, this is also 1. So 1 into 1 gives me answer as 1. So hence we have shown that tan 48 degree into tan 23 degree into tan 42 degree into tan 67 degree is equals to 1. Yes? Okay. Now let us move to second question. Here I have to show that cos 38 degree into cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degree sin 52 degree is equals to 0. So here what you can do, you convert this sin 38 and sin 52 in cos, so that here we have each thing in terms of cos. Here I will get in terms of cos, or what I can do, I can convert these cos and sin. Okay, so when you convert, you will find that this sin 38 is cos 90 minus 38. 90 minus 38, it gives me 52. So this is cos 52 and this is cos 38. So cos 52 cos 38, here also it is cos 38 cos 52. So same things, so they will cancel and I will get answer as 0. Now third question is, if tan 2a is equals to cot a minus 18 degree, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Okay, so tan 2a is given cot a minus 18. Now I have relation between tan and cot, right? Tan theta is cot 90 minus theta, or cot theta is tan 90 minus theta. So I can convert cot into tan or tan into cot. So let us convert this cot into tan. So cot theta, I will say that tan 90 minus theta. So tan 90 minus this whole angle I will write, that is a minus 18 degree. Now 90 degree minus a minus 18 degree, if you open the bracket, you will get 90 plus 18, that gives you 108 degree minus angle A. So on left hand side I have tan 2a, on right hand side I have tan 108 minus A. So this gives me value of 2a as 108 degree minus A. Now this minus A I will move on left and I will get 3a is equals to 108 degree. On simplification I get the value of A as 36 degree. Okay, next question. If tan A is equals to tan B, prove that A plus B is equals to 90 degree. Okay, try yourself. You know how to relate tan with cot. Okay, how to convert cot in tan. If I am able to convert this cot in tan, then I can find a relation between angles. So pause the video and try yourself. Once you finish, then see the solution. So tan A is equals to cot B. Here I will convert this cot B into tan 90 minus B. Now angle A will be equals to 90 minus B. Okay, so if I move this minus B on left hand side, I will get A plus B is equals to 90 degree. So we have to prove that A plus B is equals to 90 degree, and this is the proof of A plus B is equals to 90 degree. Fifth question is, if sec 4a is equals to cosec A minus 20 degree, where 4a is an acute angle, find the value of A. Now again here you can convert this cosec in sec and you can relate and find the value of A. Okay, so solve this problem yourself. Now sixth problem is, if A, B and C are the interior angles of triangle ABC, show that sine of B plus C divided by 2 is equals to cos of A by 2. So what we have to do, we have to prove this thing. So it is not given, we have to prove. So let us see how we start. As angle A, B and C are the interior angles of triangle, we have A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degree. Now this gives me B plus C is equals to 180 minus A, I want b plus c divided by 2. So divide both the sides by 2. I will get b plus c divided by 2 is equals to 90 degree minus a by 2. Now on the left hand side I have sine. So better on both the sides we will apply sine. So I get sine of b plus c divided by 2 is equals to sine of 90 minus a by 2. Right? Now this sine 90 minus a by 2 can be written as cos a by 2. So I have sine b plus c divided by 2 is equals to cos a by 2. Hence we have shown that relation sine b plus c divided by 2 is equals to cos a by 2, where ABC are three angles of triangle ABC. Now express a sine 67 degree and cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometric ratios of angle between 0 and 45 degree. So this is sine 67 degree. I can convert in cos and I will get angle which is less than 45 degree, as this 67 is more than 45, right? And this cos 75 I can convert in sine. So let us convert this sine in cos and this cos in sine using the complementary relations which we have done, and this gives me value as cos 27 degree plus sine 15 degree. So this is how we have expressed sine 67 degree plus cos 75 degree in terms of angles less than 45 degree. So we have done all the problems of exercise 8.3. Thank you.